Hey angels, I'm Sophia Roe, and here's the deal, you're probably putting on lipstick wrong. It's okay, it's no big deal. I'm sure you watched your mom do it, or your grandmother, and she was probably like making really funny, weird, crazy faces when she was putting on her lipstick. I'm gonna really help you out. So this is a beautiful KOSAS brand lip color called ELECTRA. You wanna make sure that you keep your lips very neutral when you're applying lipstick. So you don't do any of this, and you don't open your mouth, you do none of that. And you wanna dab the lipstick on. You're working with something pretty pigmented here, so you definitely wanna avoid over sweeping the lip color everywhere. And as you're kind of applying the lip color, make sure you're touching both of your lips together. If you notice, I'm not having to like open my mouth and like make sure all the lines kind of meet up. It's really just a simple like, let your lips kind of do the work. And you don't want to get the color too deep in. I know a lot of times I see people really open their lips and do this. That's just a great way to get lipstick all over your teeth. And there you go. Lipstick, gorgeous. Mwah.